Remi and Tanya are about to get some henna. Remi, I love how you and Mommy match. Who did your shirts? Who tie-dyed your shirts?
Me.
Who's hungry? Who wants to get some food?
Me.
Yeah, you do. Push the button, dude. Which way are we going?
No, we're going down.
Wait, why are you trying to go up?
Yeah.
Hey guys, today is Cinco de Mayo. We're going down to the festival downtown Portland. Kyler, are you excited?
Yeah.
Remi, where are you at? We gotta find Remi. Remi, where are you? Woo. Hi, Remi.
My plants are going more.
Let's see those plants. Ooh, what's going on in your garden? Oh, you got everything going. What's in here? Tell everybody.
It's just extra stuff.
You don't remember what's in it?
No, that's just the extra stuff on this side.
Oh, okay. And what are you growing on this side?
For Daddy, what's this again? I forgot.
The bok choy?
Yeah, and so I'm gonna write bok choy on this one and the carrots on that one next.
You got carrots going?
I want to get this. And
What is this, dude?
Take that one. No, Kyler.
No, don't take it off. Those are pokey.
Yeah, and
It's a blackberry bush.
yeah, no, those are strawberries.
Oh, those are the strawberries?
Yeah.
Whoa, strawberries are growing a lot.
Well, yeah, but these are the raspberries up here.
Remi, what are we gonna go down to? The Cinco de Mayo festival? Are you ready for the Cinco de Mayo festival?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Go get some food. All right, guys, 20 minutes later, we're finally in the car. Who's ready? Are you ready, Remi?
Me.
Mommy's in the back. We got John in today's vlog. We're gonna get some gas and we're gonna go downtown. All right, guys, we're pulling into downtown Portland right now. We're on the waterfront. We're gonna go have some fun at the Cinco de Mayo festival. We brought John as the translator just in case. I don't think we'll need him, but it's always better to have a translator just in case.
Because you don't pass it up to Mexican.
Yeah, which I'm not Mexican, guys, by the way. It is a beautiful day out. It is nice and warm and sunny. Remi is saying she's cold.
Dragon boat.
Whoa.
Ooh, the dragon boat! An awesome day. Push the button, dude. Which way are we going?
No, we're going down.
Wait, why are you trying to go up? You've been trying to go to the roof since we got here. We're going up or we're going down? Yeah. Is that your dance, Remi?
No.
Hey, you and Mommy are matching pretty good.
Jean shorts. Tie-dye.
All right, guys, we just got in and we are here at the festival. Who's hungry? Who wants to get some food? Yeah, you do. Okay, cool. All right, guys, first things first, we got some food, fruit cup. Got a mango smoothie going on. Esquita. Corn in a cup. Time and rub. So much food options. Got some tacos coming. All right, guys, those tacos were good, but not the best. We can get better. Alambre. We're gonna try this 18-incher. Assuming it's an 18-inch quesadilla. Are we gonna get it?
I mean,
Why not? Tyler, how's that mango smoothie? Remi, how's that fruit cup? Ooh, we just ate a bunch of food. Feeling full. Ready to go over here. Check out all those ponchos. Go do all the rides. Straight carnival style now. I didn't even think about it. They got carnival food here we could have got. I guess elephant ears was one of them. We're gonna get those. We're gonna get some ice cream, just some other stuff. Remi, Kyler, should we put you guys on there? Is it just a big swing? Kyler, which one are you gonna ride on, dude?
I'm not gonna ride on that.
Not gonna ride on that? Okay, let's go find a ride for you to ride on. We've officially lost the kids, you guys, and Tanya, so we're okay. We're okay. She's got the kids. They're somewhere in this madness.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, you see her? That tie-dye. That tie-dye stands out. Oh, the kids going on a ride? Fishing, fishing. Come on. All right, Remi, when he's ready, then hand him your ticket. They're fishing for frogs. Okay, here you go, dude. Stand over here with me. Hold it up. Look at Remi, see, she got it on the eye. Get it up there. Did you get one, Kyler? Get it. Go. Oops.
Good job, buddy. Pick it up and put it back in.
Go see if what brother's got. What'd you get, Remi?
Unicorn.
Cool. Oh. Kyler, what are you gonna get, dude? Cool. That mango white chocolate looks so fire. Yeah,
Whipped
that's true,
cream?
yeah.
Thank you.
Please.
Sprinkle?
No, thank you.
And
It's not shaving cream, it's whipped cream.
white chocolate?
All right, guys, we're down to the very end. As you can see, we've got ice cream, a bunch of different tacos, quesadillas, some mangoes, fruit cups, mango ice cream. It's time to go to the Saturday market. What a beautiful day it is here in Portland.
Oh, the fountain?
We just walked out, gonna go down to Saturday market. What do you guys think? Is it a beautiful day today?
Yeah.
It's the T-Rex. He's famous here in Portland. We saw him on the news. You like him?
What is it?
What is it, you guys?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur? What's he riding?
A sea-doo.
A sea-doo? No way.
And another sea-doo. Another. Little, it looks big.
It's a big, big, big ship.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day here in Portland at the waterfront. Remi, I love how you and Mommy match. Who did your shirts? Who tie-dyed your shirts?
Me.
And?
Me.
Time to buy a boat, huh? Or a sea-doo, something.
No sea-doo, no sea-doo.
No sea-doo? Oh, you want a sea-doo or you want a boat?
Sea-doo. No boat.
No boat. You like sea-doos better?
Yeah.
Guys, here's the Saturday market. So where we were was just like a block that way. That's where the festival ended. Oh, I can't get over how nice it is right now. Remi, what are you doing? You ready to go run through the water? Go through the fountains? She got this unicorn and she loves it. Time for an elephant ear. Go wander around, look at some other cool stuff. All right, guys, I got the maple bacon elephant ear. And John got the Oreo. All right, Remi, let's go. Is that warm? Okay, take it through it.
Okay. Where'd Kyler go? Kyler, do you want to go together? Okay, let's go.
All right, you want to run? Okay, take it like that, hold it. Okay, go. All right, guys, we're in the Saturday market. Kyler, come here, dude.
Hey, guy with the camera. Look at this.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Instant cities at the Portland Saturday market.
That's cool.
Art that you must slam.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
And they all work the same way. You tap them, they'll disappear, and pop them up. Instagram, you find these pieces.
Let's see that one more time.
Can I give you a card?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, Uli Kirkler, my name. Instagram, Facebook, type in innovation. There's a whole video, a compilation of my work.
Nice. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Take care, thank you.
Kyler, you got an outfit change. You're nice and dry. Remi, ooh, I like yours. Looking beautiful as always. All right, Remi and Tanya are about to get some henna. You're fly AF.
Remi, are you ready? Yep, this is Remi. 6. Are you ready? Yeah? Which one do you want? It was like the $15 dolphin. She's never gotten one before, and she wants sparkles on it. All right, go on in. Do you want me to hold your unicorn?